Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Level up your PowerPoint presentation. So here I'll be giving you some stuff to level up your PowerPoint presentation. So to level up your PowerPoint presentation, I'll give you three basic stuff that anyone can do to level up their PowerPoint presentation. First thing, let's say you're gonna make a presentation right here, and then you start with the word good, then day, then and you say how can I make this good? You're just gonna go to themes right here, then add some of this or some of that, blah 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 blah. But no, the easiest way for beginners or whatever right there, click design right here. Design here, it will give you an animation. Also, it will change your font styles and any of those. So choose right here. There you go. So that's the first way to level it up. So right here, let's say I want this one right here. So whenever I switch, it's gonna look like that. There you go, as you can see right there. As you see, there you go. Another way to level up your presentation. To level up your presentation here at your PowerPoint presentation. I'm gonna show you a few stuff that you can also do to level up your PowerPoint presentation. Let's say you're doing this presentation and then you're too tired or too lazy to type that. A good thing, we have dictate right here. So dictate right here whenever we talk. There you go. As you can see, it is copying on what we say and what we do. So let's say see, as you can see, it doesn't know what to do. As you can see, it tries to make out the word that we comes out of our mouth. So yeah, there you go. It's another way to level up your PowerPoint presentation, and the last way to level it up to make it more to call this much more easy and much more good looking at the same time is by going right here. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. There we go. As you can see right here, we have the what we call is for screen recording. So screen recording is we set an autoplay record action on your screen. Related right here. You do that. And not only that, you can also from the beginning right here, you will see record. Once you click on the record from the beginning, it will become a narrator with your face if you want to add your camera on. So it gives a presentation much more a little bit of a difference. Let's say you're doing a magic trick on your presentation. It will also make it will make you a it will add a little bit of spice to your presentation. So there you go. And a few tips for you guys. And also try some transition, push-ups, all of the stuffs right here. Yeah, as you can see right now. There you go. Also I suggest trying stuffs, some new stuffs, and then make it make it much more compact, and there's a lot of dynamics and stuff. So yeah, there you go, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have more questions, type it in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.